Hello, everybody. Kim Sashio here. I am a distance education coordinator at the Skyline College, CTTL, and I would like to welcome you to day 5 of our accessibility challenge. Today, we are looking at ordered lists. So yesterday in day 4, we looked at unordered lists or bulleted lists. And I went into some detail about why we need that coding for lists. So today I'll just focus on ordered lists. I'm sure you're all familiar with these. They are typically stepped lists or lists that describe a sequential process, for example, following a recipe, instructions for submitting assignment, that sort of thing. We use numbers or letters to separate each item, and these ordered lists help students understand processes and instructions. All pretty basic. So one would think you should just, add a number at the beginning of every line. Why not do that? Well, that causes problems for students who use assistive technologies such as screen readers or text readers. Those technologies rely on the underlying HTML code to navigate content on a web page. Properly tagged lists let students with disabilities scan the content like everyone else, and they make it easy for these students to recognize numbered lists. If a student who is using a screen reader comes across a list of text that starts off 1, blah, blah, 2, blah, blah. First of all, they have to stop for a moment and think, oh, this must be a list. They're telling me to do something. And secondly, they have no idea how long this list is, and they can't just tab through it. But if it's properly tagged, properly formatted with HTML, they can easily navigate this list. And it is much easier to use a Canvas list style, which is built in, than to dive into the code. Trust me on this one. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use Canvas ordered list styles. All right, so here I have a demo page that I've set up for you, complete with an unformatted list and an extra bonus, an unformatted heading. So let's get this to heading 2 level. As a page content header, like I talked about. I believe it was day 1 of the accessibility challenge. Now I'm just going to get to that. I'm going to show you where that list menu is. Click 3 dots, and now you can see right here. I will copy the text that I want to format as a heading. Now I'm going to choose a style. I'm going to use numbers. But notice I've got a note here, so this is not actually part of the list. This is explaining that. What I want to do is turn it into a little sublist. So I'm going to increase the indent, and I want this to be an A. I could use A, or, I could have done a bullet too. If I want to add to this list, the other one thing I did not put in the slides is using this makes it a lot easier for you. Because let's say I've missed a step, all I have to do is add, click at the end of the line, add an enter to get a new line, and then type in my missing text. Or let's say if I've accidentally gotten things out of order, maybe this was supposed to be earlier, I just take that, cut it, maybe it's just supposed to be a note, plunk it in there. I just delete things. All right. So if I had created this list by manually typing in numbers and extra spaces and stuff, if I had to reorganize it, I'd have to renumber everything. But using the list makes it much easier for me to work with this content. So I hope that little demonstration was helpful for you. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.